11 selection test. Please type your name in the area that says name. Let's get started. Number 1. During which month of the year does the Sound of Summer Running take place? June, August, September, December. Number 2. In the Sound of Summer Running, what catches Douglas's eye while he is walking home from a movie with his family? An ad showing a pair of sneakers, a new pair of sneakers on a boy who passes by, a pair of sneakers in the store window, a help wanted sign on a shoe store window. Number 3. Which phrase best describes Mr. Sanderson, the owner of the shoe store, at the end of the Sound of Summer Running? Regretting his deal Douglas, unhappy about his business, having dreamy memories, happy with Douglas's offer to work. Number 4. Which of the following tells what the new sneakers are a symbol for in the Sound of Summer Running? Douglas's anger at his father, last year's shoes, the comforts of home, summer freedom. Number 5. When Rachel is made to wear the red sweater in 11, how does she feel? Confused, special, important, embarrassed. Number 6. In 11, what does Mrs. Price do when she learns that the new sweater is not Rachel's? She apologizes to Rachel. She pretends that everything is okay. She promises to get Rachel another sweater. She ends class early. Number 7. What does Rachel mean by "it's too late" in this sentence from 11? There'll be candles and presents and everybody will be singing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Rachel, only it's too late. The party won't matter because her day has already been ruined. Her birthday party will take place too late at night. Her party won't be a surprise because she already knows about it. She feels too sad to invite her classmates to the party. Number 8. In 11, what does the red sweater symbolize? Mrs. Price's classroom, Rachel's dishonesty, Rachel's unhappiness, a message of hope. Number 9. At the end of 11, why does Rachel wish she were 102? She wouldn't have to go to school. She would be far from the embarrassments of childhood. She would have her own red sweater. She would have friends to stand up for her. Number 10. How are Douglas in the Sound of Summer Running and Rachel in 11 different? He knows exactly what to say, and she doesn't. She enjoys summer, and she doesn't. She knows exactly what to say, and he doesn't. She enjoys summer, and he doesn't. Number 11. Why do the authors of the Sound of Summer Running and 11 use symbols? To persuade readers to buy new clothing, to help express the characters' feelings, to convey a message about old age, to inform readers about the season. Number 12. How are the main symbols in the Sound of Summer Running and 11 alike? They are both things you can wear. They are both times of the year. They both stand for good feelings. They both belong to the main characters. Number 13. If a boy dashed down an alley in his new sneakers, where did he run? Through tall grasses, on a narrow street behind buildings, down a hallway in a school, on an athletic field. Number 14. When Mr. Sanderson has a revelation, what has happened? He recognizes Douglas as the boy who looks into the shop window. He turns around several times. He has a new pair of shoes in his shop window. He has an understanding of how the new shoes make you feel. When you have finished, please click the blue Submit button. Good luck!